Hi everybody, has sent me this SpaceMate for the California beach. So we're going to fit that here today. Going to show you how this one fits in here, how good these are in the back of the California. So let's crack on, let's get this in here, show you how it goes in the beach. Quick thing as well is if you want to stay watching as well, because if you've got an ocean, this will go in an ocean as well. Anyway, let's crack on, let's get it ready. First thing we're going to do, get all this out so we can get access to this in the back. Okay, so everything is out. Quick recap for you as well to remember. So obviously this is fixed. This does not come out in the California. This is where you've got your cooker and your storage that's there, and all your electrics and stuff is down there as well. Because we've got our little clip that's on there, that's obviously pulls out the rail system that's there. So with all these things, I always like to do a bit of a dry fit first. So let's put it in that gap. There we go. And slide it in so we can see where it's going to go. So that's what you get in the packet. So two of these, two of those, and two wing nuts. So you're literally just fitting these two things that's in here as well. So let's get on, let's have a quick look at that, and we'll get those fitted in now. So essentially this bar goes in the gap here underneath and then locks in place then with this. But first off, when you know roughly where your hole is that's in here that's going to go through, just use the end of the screw just to push through the rubber underneath that protects the rails that's on there. So you've done one, got another one in here, it's going to go about here, so I'll just use that, push that through. There you go, so I've created a hole for those two now. So that goes through there like that. We're going to pop that through the hole that goes down on here, and then pop it down, and then you can twist it so that it twists underneath and locks, kind of goes into place. Just put your finger underneath so you can hold it there. Pop in your washer, put your wing nut on, and give that a good tighten up. There we go, that's that one there in place. And pop the other one in. Before you lock this one in place as well, just make sure it is square along the edge here as well, which we will do in a minute. So again, just pop that in, twist it round so that it's across the channel that's in there in the back. Let's pop that on. Yep, there, let's get our wing nut on. Put that down. There we go. And there we go. That's obviously not going anywhere now. Pull that back. It's in there, and that's it all fitted. So that's in place now, obviously there. Pull our catch at the front. Pull it all the way out. Comes all the way out from on here. Put all your stuff on, push it back in. You have got a little bit of give and take with this, so it will move a little bit forward, a little bit back, but I think it should probably be roughly in line with the front of the cabinet that's there. So everything back in, all fitted back as normal. So as you can see, one-handed, clip the clip, out it comes. You can get all your bits and pieces that you need to get out from on there as well. You can still get your cupboards out on here if you want to, with extra storage in there. You've still got your grill top. Now for me, I think I'll find this quite handy actually if I had a beach, because I've got my grill there. I can probably pull that out, and you know me, I like my boxes, so I'll probably have boxes there as well so that I can move things around and get things out that I need to as well. And it just obviously makes a whole load of sense that's in the back of here. So I also forgot to mention this does come with a rubber mat that's here. That just protects the floor obviously that's there, and a bit of an anti-slip thing, so you can get that in there as well. Now I did mention at the beginning of the video that this will also fit in a ocean. And the idea being behind that is that this obviously is like a bit of a stubby one, a smaller one, and then you'd have a gap still at the side for you to be able to put other things in there as well. So I'm going to be testing that out in my ocean. I'm going to swap out the one I've got, which is the larger full-size one. I'm going to put this one in for a while, see how I get on, because I think I might quite use that side bit that's in there as well, is if I want to put longer things in, for example, and we'll get in there and see how I get on with that. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching us with the new SpaceMate for the California beach installation in there. Big thanks out to Simon from SpaceMate for sending us this so we could show you and fit it in the vehicle. As I said, we've got a few more videos coming as well where we're talking about accessories and things that you can buy for the Californias. If you want to see things like that and you don't currently subscribe, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you next time.